Hi, this is Alejandra Aguilera. I'm an attorney at the Aguilera Law Center, and I'm going to talk about how to pick an attorney. Now, this is very important because an attorney is going to be representing you in court or against another person, and you need to have someone that you can trust and someone that you know is going to do the job right. So the first step that you need to determine is what area of law are you looking for an attorney to work on? First, you need to see, okay, is it a consumer issue? Is it a criminal issue? So you got to understand the issue so that you can go look for an attorney that handles those issues, has expertise in that area of law. So for instance, at the Aguilera Law Center, we handle criminal, we handle civil litigation, we handle family, we handle wills. So I'm going to talk about other tips. I'm going to give you other tips that you should consider, and they are the three R's. You're going to use references, research, and you're going to react. So the first part is references. Ask around your friends, acquaintances. You can go online, Facebook. Ask if there are attorneys that your friends recommend, that people recommend, that have experience in with that issue that you're needing help with. So look for references, and that's going to help you because then you can ask the individual that's recommending the attorney, how did this attorney help you? And if they're willing to give you information, it would be helpful to know if the attorney was really good at communicating with their clients. Things that you find important, you should find out whether that attorney is willing to do those things that you're looking for. So the second area, the second R is research. Once you have a reference, a specific attorney, or let's say you don't get anything out of your friends as far as references, you want to research to see if there are attorneys that handle that area of law. You can go online, you can go to the yellow pages. But the important part is that if you do have an attorney, a specific attorney, you should find out more information about that attorney. Go on their website. The website has biographies. You can read the biography, which is similar to a resume, to get an idea of the background, what school, how many years they've been practicing. I would suggest to go on www.floridabar.org. That is an organization that oversees all of the attorneys that are licensed in Florida. So if you are looking for a specific attorney, you go on floridabar.org and you will look under the section Find an Attorney. And once you put in the first name and the last name of the attorney, they will give you the historical background. If there are any complaints in the past 10 years for that attorney, you're going to also get their contact information. But that's a great resource because you definitely want to have an idea of how many years they've been practicing. And you also want to know if it's the individual is giving you the right contact information. That's also important. Once you are armed with all that information and all the research from going to their websites, online, you want to go to the third R, which is react. So you're going to react by calling the office of that attorney, and you're going to ask questions. Are their consultations free? How much do they charge for consultations? Do they take credit card? Do they do payment plans? Some attorneys do and some attorneys don't. So it depends. Each office, each attorney is different. But you definitely want to call and ask those questions. You may or may not get to speak to the attorney directly, but make sure you get as much information from whoever you speak with before you enter into a contract with that attorney. I like to talk to individuals directly, and whoever's interested in a free consultation, I have them contact me directly on my cell phone, and I will give free consultations by phone. I do charge an affordable, low consultation rate for an hour consultation, but in that consultation I provide as much information as possible. I help in providing advice, but so consultations vary, the fees vary, and the amount of time you get with the attorney varies. So get that up front, all that information. So again, the 3 R's that you need to think about when you pick an attorney is: first, references, look for references; second, research that attorney or that office; and third, you're going to react. You're going to make an appointment, you're going to ask questions, and good luck.